All right, take a look at the domyfan S2 triple screen laptop screen extender. Oh wow, that's actually kind of interesting. It's even got a pouch so you can carry all the cables with it. Oh, that's cool. So this is just like a little briefcase for it. Cool. I was wondering how that was going to work because I wanted to be able to put this thing in my laptop bag, but if it couldn't fold up flat, then that would cause a problem, especially on the hinges. This one does, so that's very good. This is going to be easy to actually transport. It does have a bit of a weight to it. It weighs about as much as a laptop, so it's like having two laptops in your bag. So it looks like this clip is going to sit on top of the display of the laptop to make sure that it doesn't fall off. And then it is spring-loaded on the sides, so it will kind of clamp onto the sides. It does have rubber bumpers, so we don't have to worry about that scratching up the laptop. And each display has 3 USB-C ports on the back. And it calls that Type C1, Type C2, and HDMI. And then on the back we got a kickstand. And this thing can rotate, so you can kind of see this little path right here. So we flip that up. There's that little guy that we can drop in whichever slot we want to get us the length that we want. So that is great because that's going to be a much more secure way of holding this thing up as opposed to most of the solutions I see for these things. But it's great to have that because you're putting extra weight on that laptop display, and that hinge is usually just a friction hinge, so it's only going to hold up so much weight. So with this, we can use that to hold that display up and to hold all these other displays up, so we don't have to worry about that thing falling down. And that can be great even if just the hinge is wearing out. See, I got something that can actually hold it up. Very nice. We got cables. So we got 2 USB-C to USB-C ports, and they both have a 90-degree bend in them, so you can use that to make sure that you can plug in without having that extra cord running out and like messing up where you put your mouse. So love seeing that. This one is a USB-C to HDMI, so if you want to use this purely as an HDMI, you can do that. And then we got 2 USB-C to USB cables. I assume this is for power. We got our instructions, and we got a quick start guide. Okay, so this is cool. So this is saying that you can use just the 2 USB-C cables to plug into your laptop. And that's going to be dependent on whether or not your laptop is fully featured, meaning that it has these symbols on those USB ports. But if your laptop doesn't have that available, then you can plug in these cables to provide power to those screens, so you can still use this with your laptop. So that's nice. It's really nice that they just provided all the cables to adapt to whatever kind of situation that you have. So there that is, and that is something else. It's a triple monitor attachment. So, extend desktop. There we go. Identify. So 1 is in the middle, 3 needs to go on the right, and 2 needs to go on the left. And apply. Okay. So now I got my mouse right here, and I can just swing it right over. I got it over there, and I can swing it over here, and there it is there. So there we go. Now being able to watch something while I'm editing, or even take what I'm editing, put it in another window. All this just gives me that much more real estate. And it's just nice having a triple monitor setup that I can easily take the whole thing and throw it in the backpack. So that is awesome.